OCAM here, and today we're going to be installing Weathershields on a 1994 75 series Toyota Landcruiser troop carrier. These Weathershields will suit the 70 series models vehicles that are pre or before 2007 manufacture. The Weathershields we have created, they're not a perfect fit, but with a few minor tweaks, it's barely noticeable. And before we remove the backing of the tape, we'll line it up onto the door just to make sure we know exactly what we're going to do and how we're going to install it. So my suggestion would be to start it right here, line it up with the door, square it off, and then just as you're applying the Weathershields, just lay it down following the door profile. Before we actually heat up the back of the Weathershield, it's always best to clean the area that we're going to be installing the Weathershields on. So with a damp rag and a dry rag, just really give it a nice clean, just to take all the dirt residue off. Just like so. Also, just want to add that if you do have the quarter window, you will lose functionality out of it. You could still open it up a little bit, but you're not going to get the full function of it. So once we've cleaned the area, we'll grab our Weathershield. And if you don't have a heat gun, you can also use a hairdryer. It's best to heat up the tape just to make sure that we really bring out the stickiness in it. Remove the backing. And just like we did before with our dry run, we'll begin by squaring it off. And running along the profile of the door. Just like so. Once we're happy with the way we've got it, apply some pressure onto the taped area. One last thing before I sign off, just want to show you how much functionality you get out of your quarter window once the Weathershields are installed. You can open it up about an inch, that's about it. Just to let some of that air come in. So that's how we install the Weathershields on the 70 series Landcruiser pre-2007. Thank you for watching and have a great day.